yung gamot. Nagluto ako ulit ng pagkain niya. Kaso lang, ayan na naman siya. Dinala na to ni madam sa doktor ng nakaraang linggo. Kasi parang meron siyang infection sa ihi. Hello, Sarge. Hello, baby boy. Hello, baby boy. Hello, Sargy. Do you want to take a bath? Do you want to take a bath, Sarge? Ayun yung food niya, oh. Yan yung dog food niya. Ano siya, meat na giniling, tapos may gulay, may egg. Pinigyan ko ng konting kanin para kasi bawas na sa kanya yung karne ngayon eh. Are you okay, baby? Are you okay? Sargy? Are you okay now? Sarge. Sargy. Hello. You want to eat now? What's that? What's that, Sargy? Sarge. What's wrong? Time to eat now? You don't like? You don't want to eat? What's wrong? Sarge, look at me. Look at me, Sargy. Hello. Look at me. Baby boy. Are you okay now? Again. Come, time to eat. Dali, come here. Come. Come on. Come. Your food here. Dali na. Come, stand up. Stand up now. Come on. Hello. Are you okay? Hey. Do you want to go to the doctor again, Sargy? You have check-up next month. Swords. Hello. Come on, boy. Hello, baby boy. Matamlay ang aming baby boy. Sards. Hello. Yan, lagi lang itong nakatulog eh. Hello, Sards. Yes? Come now? Ingay ng mga manok dyan sa kabilang bahay. Tagak-tagao. Mga birds. Hello. Smile, Sargy. Smile. Sards. Bugoy. Not feeling well ang aking baby boy. Ang aming baby boy not feeling well. What's wrong with you? Do you have pain again? Sarge. Sarge, say hi to them. Hello. Hello, Sarge boy. Can you say hi to them? Hello. Yes. Hello, Sargie. Sargie. Are you okay, boy? Sargie boy. Ang aking baby boy. Okay. Say bye-bye to them. Bye. Say bye. Sarge, come here. Look at me. Say bye. Bye-bye. Sarge. Say bye. Uy, why don't say bye-bye to them? Come on. Stand up now. Up, let's go. Let's go. Yes. Say bye. Bye. See you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching, guys. Hugs, kisses. Love, love, love.